You're going to need several pieces of software to be able to complete this class successfully. You're also going to need to sign up for a few different accounts. You're going to need a student email account, which you can get to by clicking here. It gives you directions on how to create an mcc.edu student email address. This is actually a Gmail account, so in the future you can log into it from Google or Gmail just by adding your email address at students.mchenry.edu. You may have already created that for another class. You're also going to need to sign up for LinkedIn Learning. This is not going to be required frequently, but it's got some useful lectures that will be included in your supplemental or optional resources. And the directions for that are on the MCC account, and you do need to have your student email address to have that. Then you can follow the directions to sign up for LinkedIn Learning. You'll also need to get Visual Studio Code. This is our integrated development environment, and it should detect which operating system you're on, either Windows or Mac. Those are the two that I support. You can also use Linux if you'd like, but I don't really have any capabilities of supporting that. You'll also need both Chrome and Firefox. They both have developer tools that we're going to use to help debug your code. And you'll need FileZilla Client, and you'll notice I have that highlighted here. That's our FTP. It does give you the option of FileZilla Server and FileZilla Client. Client is the one that you're going to need. So you need to get all of those installed, and then please submit the message that I've installed all the software or something similar to confirm that you have everything downloaded, installed, and ready to go.